You pretty as hell.
Oh, say less.
Rate me 1 through 10.
10.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, you fine as fuck. I ain't lying, boy.
My number.
No, you can give me your number too. You give me your number too. I just asked for the Instagram though. And how old are you?
I'm 22.
My nigga.
Tennessee, how about you?
Shit, you from Tennessee? Shit, cause you the only 10 I see. I ain't lying.
Oh no. Jada, J-A.
This motherfucker don't miss.
I'm straight though.
I don't fucking care if you find out I can swallow your generations.
Oh!
I will swallow your generations. I want everything that has to do with that little dick.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Okay, shorty, 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 go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag.
What's good, YouTube? It's boy Kreative, and we back with another video. And if you haven't watched my last video, make sure to go watch it. It should pop up in one of these corners at the top. I had went on Monkey App and I was asking strangers to guess my age, and they wasn't saying my right age. They was saying 30, 22. 30 was really the oldest I got mistaken for. But in today's video, I'm going to be going on Monkey App again and asking females to rate me 1 through 10. Now, I'm not an ugly nigga. I am not an ugly nigga, because in the last video, I had a clip whenever I was asking a female guess my age. She said 19 or whatever. She said I looked good, and she said she was gonna raise me up. But as soon as I said I was 17, she skipped me. But that's not going down in this video. I'm just gonna be strictly asking them to rate me 1 through 10. They're not gonna know how old I am. They're not gonna know none of that. They just gonna be rating me 1 through 10. And I'm not ugly.
Cap.
I'm not ugly. I'm ugly.
Boy, if you don't get.
But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications when we post, because we're trying to get to 10,000 subs, man. We on the road to 10,000 subs. Just hit 5,000 not too long ago, and all that. But without further ado, let's get into the video. What's good? Look, I got a question for you.
What's your
Alright, rate me 1 through 10.
Smile.
Look at this dude.
It's a little small. You said what?
9.
A 9.
She want me. She want me.
Yeah, good 9.
Appreciate it.
She want me.
No me parece donde es la gente. Yo los miro guapos.
I ain't gonna lie, you speaking another language, I don't have time for that to comprehend what you're saying, bro. Like, skill.
Yeah.
What's good?
What you doing?
Chillin'?
Are you gay?
Oh my god, bro, I'm not gay. I'm not gay.
Yeah, just like it just looks like you're gay.
Yeah, I know. I ain't gay though. But look, I got a question for you.
What?
Look, rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
A 10. And my friend said 0.
A 0?
I said 10, she said 0.
Put in the camera. You a 0.
I'm a 0?
No, she a 0. I'm a 0, but you don't even know.
What my baby dad said.
I don't give a fuck about your baby daddy.
Oh.
And he'll beat the fuck out of you and fuck you in your asshole.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
What the fuck? Y'all tripping, boy. It's supposed to be females only. What this crack-headed looking nigga is on here for? That shit ass.
Yo,
What's good?
you pretty as hell.
Oh, say less.
Appreciate it. Y'all in the classroom?
Yeah, pretty person.
Hey, I got a question for y'all real quick.
What's up? You got a question?
Look, y'all rate me 1 through 10.
Rate you 1 through 10?
Yeah. No. Females. Females. The females, bro.
A 9.5.
Not my. What you said?
You got an 8. You got an 8. Man, fuck what they talking about. You got 9.5.
Shit, appreciate it.
Huh?
Appreciate it. Shit. 9.5. 8. I'm not ugly after all.
What's up?
What's good?
Yeah, okay.
Look, I got a question for you.
What?
Rate me 1 through 10. Ain't gonna lie, she, as an old Memorial, I ain't lying, she in her 50s. Shit, you never know. I might pull a cougar. Shit. What's good?
What's good?
Where y'all from?
North Carolina, South Carolina.
Shit, that's what's up. Look, I got a question for y'all though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rate me 1 through 10.
I would say
A 6. You about to say a 6?
No, I'm thinking 8.5.
Shit, appreciate it. I'm not an ugly nigga. I'm not ugly, so what about her? With the color
She
hair.
has a boyfriend, so she can't comment.
What? I'm not asking for a number or nothing. I'm just asking for a rating. That's different.
You said rate him 1 through 10.
That's different.
First of all, post your wall because I got to say shit on my wall.
What?
Yeah. The cigar rappers.
Oh, them rappers? Them guards?
Yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
I got them on my wall too.
Shit, that's what's up. But you gonna rate me 1 through 10 or no? No?
I heard her boyfriend would fly with that.
Alright.
8.5.
8.5, same as. Appreciate it.
Baby, glad you
Shit.
didn't hear that.
Shit, appreciate it.
Yeah.
What's that behind you?
Disney.
What's good? What's good? Why your eye big?
I can't stand her. What's up?
I'm fine. You said what?
You look cute.
Appreciate it. How old are you?
15.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
What's good?
You got a pretty face.
Appreciate it. Where y'all from?
Cali.
Cali? Look, I got a question for y'all real quick.
What?
Alright, rate me 1 through 10.
You got like feminine features. So I would say like
I know.
it's like his eyes. And his it's like cat eyes. And like his skin smart. Damn, I can't.
You stuttering? Shit.
Yeah.
Alright, a 7.
A 7? Why not an 8? Or a 10?
Okay.
Cause you don't look like a
You
boy.
look like a stud.
I look like a stud?
Yeah.
Bro,
Shut up. Let me see if you got boobs.
bro, I'm a dude, bro. I guess I'm that good looking then. Shit, fuck it.
You were good looking. If you was a female, you'd be a 10.
If I was a female,
Yeah.
down, bro. Bro, I look like a stud. They say I look like a stud. I look feminine. I look gay. Then she asked me to stand up to see if I got a breast. The fuck? Down, bro. What's good?
What's good?
Where you from?
Jersey. What about you?
Louisiana.
Nice, nice.
No, I got a question for you though.
Shoot it.
All right, rate me 1 through 10.
You got good eyebrows. I like your eyes. They're really pretty. Nose profile, 10 out of 10. Lips, nice. 10.
A 10?
Valid.
Shit, appreciate it. You got Instagram?
Yeah.
Can you drop it for me real quick?
Yeah. B-O.
Alright, I got you.
Would you rate me?
If you put your face in the camera.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, you fine as fuck. I ain't lying, boy. I ain't gonna lie, you fine as fuck. I'm about to follow you though. What's good? Where you from?
The ghetto.
The ghetto? Shit, same. Same, I ain't lying. You got Instagram?
Yeah.
Hold on, before you drop it real quick, I got a question for you. Rate me 1 through 10.
You're like a 9.5.
Shit, 9.5? 9.5? Shit, appreciate it. Drop the Instagram for me though.
H3.
You said what?
Yeah, it's the first one, and it's gonna be like, if you not get out, you can obviously tell because I look like that girl in that photo. Yeah, I sure do.
I got you. I ain't gonna lie, she ugly as fuck, bro. Wait, hold on. Bro, you see that shit, bro? She is ugly as fuck, bro. Can't do that one, bro. Can't do that one. What's good?
I'm good, and you?
Where you from?
I'm from Holland.
You said well, you got an accent.
Yes, I live in Europe.
Shit. Look, I got a question for you real quick.
Ask me.
Rate me 1 through 10.
I don't like rate people, but I like your lashes.
Appreciate it. It's no big deal.
No, it's not. It's not for me. I don't like rate people.
All right. You got Instagram?
I got Instagram.
You can drop it for me real quick.
What? My number.
No, you can give me your number too. You give me your number too. I just ask for the Instagram though.
Are you active on Instagram?
Oh yeah, I'm very active on Instagram.
What's it on your background?
Which one? The poster? Or this?
Yeah, that.
This? That's some guards.
Can you go closer?
See what it is?
And where in USA do you live?
Live in Louisiana.
Your name is Matthew. Matthew.
Yeah, Matthew. Yeah. I like your accent.
So you have actually a Christian name.
Yeah, my name in the Bible.
Yes. So in the Netherlands, you say Matthäus.
My
In
dad's.
the Dutch, you say Matthäus.
Alright. Shit. So you gonna give me Instagram? Number?
Yes, I can send you your Instagram.
Alright. I can type in right here.
Okay. Okay, R.
Alright.
The middle one at MC.
I got you.
I'll call you back. I just don't have pictures. Are you a TikToker?
Yeah, I do TikTok, YouTube. That's my platforms and shit like that.
So are you a famous guy actually?
I'm not famous yet. I'm not famous yet. But I'm getting there. It's steps. Steps to it.
That's good. Don't give up and don't listen to other people because people will always hate and you don't have to listen.
Exactly. That's the thing, man.
Haters are the biggest motivation, you know?
For sure.
Because if they're hating you, you have to prove that you're better than them.
For sure. You got a number? You said the phone number or no? Not the phone number?
Yes, I got the number, but I got Dutch number. I don't know if you, I don't know if you mind.
I got it.
I look so bad through the day, but I don't care.
You look good to me. I ain't lying. You fine. Shit.
I'm just done with the gym. That's why I'm getting in the shower.
And how old are you?
I'm 22.
My nigga.
22. Shit, that's what's up. Alright then. Boy, I just pulled a 22-year-old. Shit. She gave me her Instagram. She don't be active like that. But then she turned around and texted me her number, bro. And she said she from England or Europe. I forgot. All I know is she's foreign. And she's 22 years old looking like that? I'm 17. Shit. Good.
Yo, what's up?
I got a question for I got a question for you real
What's
quick. Alright, rate me 1 through 10.
10.
You for real or are you just saying that?
No, I'm for real. You're the hardest girl that I met so far.
Shit, appreciate it. You got
You're
Instagram?
just like old.
You ain't got no
On social
Instagram?
media?
You don't do it at all? Damn.
No, because I was raped from someone that found my location on Snap.
Wait, you was raped?
hmm
Dang, I'm sorry to hear that. I ain't lying.
It's good. I mean, it's whatever.
But appreciate it.
You're welcome.
What's good?
You are so fine. No,
You
you're
have
so
beautiful eyes.
Hold on. I'm straight though.
I don't fucking care. You find out I can swallow your generations.
Oh!
I will swallow your generations. I want everything that has to do with that little dick.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
No shade though, but I will swallow your generation.
Can you please put it back on the females? Put it back on the females. You can put it back on the females? I got a question for you real quick.
Yeah, what's up?
Rate me 1 through 10.
Girl, not too much. What the fuck is It's a 10. Like, I can't give you my Snapchat. Don't fuck these bitches don't even know shit. I can give you my Snapchat 7 because she has a boyfriend. She said 8. She said 8, 9.5. I said 10 because I'm gonna swallow your generation.
DMX.
How big is it though?
This nigga fucking get woo ball. This nigga gets fuck. This nigga said he was gonna swallow my whole generation, bro. What's good?
Am I you?
Shit, I got a question for you real quick.
Okay.
Alright. Rate me 1 through 10.
Like personality or
Face.
face? 10.
10?
Yeah, you could do modeling.
Shit, appreciate it. Shit.
No problem, no problem.
Shit. Shit, that's a side hustle, I ain't lying.
Met you.
Ooh.
Met you.
You got an accent?
Why you crying?
Shit, appreciate it. Where you from?
Hey.
You nervous?
Is that Tupac? Shut the fuck. Ow, don't hit my fucking head, stupid. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. He wasn't that anyway, but I still wanted to ask the question.
Hey, I hope you understand me.
What's good?
What's up, man?
Where you from?
Tennessee, how about you?
Shit, you from Tennessee? Shit, cause you the only 10 I see, I ain't lying.
Oh no.
Shit. Where you from?
I thought you were from here too. Where are you from?
Shit, Louisiana.
What part?
Ville Platte. You probably never heard of it. It's a little small
I
town.
was born in Shreveport.
Oh, you was born in Shreveport? Shit. I got a question for you real quick.
Okay.
Rate me 1 through 10.
I'll give you a solid 8. You got some good facial features. I wish I had your eyebrows.
Shit. Appreciate it. You got Instagram?
Yeah, I can't follow you back though because I'm on this dumbass trap phone.
You can drop it for me. I'ma follow you.
It's just,
I do content.
but it's Jada, J-A-I,
Which one is it?
the one at the top.
All the way to the top?
Yep. I don't post shit.
Shit. I got you.
Alright, bet. When I get my shit fixed, I'm gonna follow you back.
Hold on. Friend me real quick.
Pretty high.
Alright. I got you.
Alright, bet. I'll see you. Be safe.
You too. What's good?
Hello.
Ooh, you got an accent. Where you from?
UK.
The UK? I got a question for you real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Rate me 1 through 10.
8.5.
8.5? Shit, appreciate it. You got Instagram?
I don't use it.
Dang, bro. You ain't got it.
Snap.
You got a Snap? Shit, you can drop it for me?
PR.
Alright, I got you.
Alright, bye.
Alright. What's good?
Hey,
Where you from?
you're really cute.
Shit, appreciate it.
I'm from New York. Where you from?
New York? Damn. Yeah, New York? I'm in Louisiana.
I like your accents. That's mad cute.
Shit, appreciate it. Bruh, I'm sorry about that. Look, the camera literally just died. I swear the camera just died. And before I even started filming this video, I put a whole brand new battery in this camera and it just died, bro. I see exactly what he be talking about, how the G7X cameras do not last long on a battery. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so when you post. Comment down below any other video idea that you'd like to see. And fun fact, I'm not an ugly ass nigga.